Hello, namaste, namaskara. I am Matthew, your stock market teacher, and welcome to my channel, Stock Market Teacher. So in this video, I'm going to speak about a very special stock. Alright, so before I discuss about this particular stock, I would like to request you all, please watch this video till the end. Alright, I share some important information in this video. Alright, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit on the like button. And once you subscribe to my channel, do not forget to click on the notification, that is the bell icon. Alright, now patience is one of the key traits that is required in the stock market. This statement has time and again been highlighted, repeated by best of the best investors and traders in the market. Now this statement can be taken for granted also by many who do not understand the market. Yes, patience is important, but when do you show that patience becomes a key? Now, when to show that patience, you will only realize it when you know the system, when you know what are you doing in the markets. Without a plan, without a system, without knowing how to go about in the markets, this patience is key statement is of no use. All right, so today I'm going to discuss in this video a stock by name VA Tech Wabag Limited. All right, this is the stock, and I have this stock in my portfolio, and I bought this stock at 258 rupees. Currently it is trading at 354 rupees. I am up 37.52% on this particular investment. All right, so that is my stock that I am discussing today. So I will discuss when did I enter on this stock, okay, and what is the present scenario in respect to price action on this particular stock. Am I planning to sell? Am I planning to hold on? So all these things I am going to discuss. So do not hop skip, watch this video till the end. All right, I am discussing very important points in this video. And one important thing I also like to mention here is, okay, this stock has seen rising 76% post its strong Q2 earnings, and the ace investor of India, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, holds 50 lakh shares in this firm, okay, on behalf of his wife Rekha Rakesh as of this September fiscal. All right, and many brokerages have come up with its buy rating, but when I bought this stock, I completely relied on the price action, and this stock gave me an indication that I should put my money in this particular stock. All right, so I had no idea who was buying in this stock, who has bought in this stock, was there an ace investor in the stock? No, all I relied was on the price action. So let's discuss, okay, and understand, okay, where was my entry, okay, and where was my entry, what am I currently planning to do, what is the current price action, tell me, okay, and all these things I'm going to discuss. As I said, I entered the stock around 258 rupees, okay, I entered the stock around 258 rupees. So this is the level, okay, 258 level is where I entered this particular stock. Okay, this is the level 258 rupees is where I entered this particular stock. Now this was the zone where I entered this particular stock. Now why I entered this particular stock is, if you see the price action here, okay, if you see the price action here, this stock made a fabulous move up, okay, this stock made a fabulous move up. Now when the stock like this, okay, or any stock, when it makes a good move up like this, okay, now this move, if you see, this is nearly 65% move. Now what does this show is, this shows that there is a huge buying interest in this particular stock, and this buying interest is not from any kind of traders, okay, this is the big money that flows into the markets, okay, this is the big money that flows. Only then you could see on any particular stock this kind of move happening. Retailers have no power, in my view, to move up stock up like this. All right, so once it moved up stock like this, okay, this price moved up like this, you see it went into a rest mode. Okay, it went into a rest mode. Now we call this as a consolidation period, okay, or a sleeping time for the stock, a resting period for this particular stock. Okay, this is a in regards to the price action. And post that, okay, once that happened, you see here this stock after resting, okay, it started to make a move higher again on this here from these levels 250. So this gave me an indication, okay, now this stock has again been active. So I had my setups, so the setups that I use, okay, I have few setups that I use. All right, so I had this setup in place, okay, and this triggered the buy signal in this particular stock. So I entered this stock at 258 rupees. After I bought this stock made a massive move towards the upside. Okay, this stock made a massive move towards the upside. Okay, if you see the move from 258 rupees to 400 rupees. Okay, now how much was the move? It was 47% move. So I was nearly up 47% on this particular stock, but presently I am up 37% for this particular stock. Now what happens, okay, if you want to make big money or create wealth in the market, you need to hold on to your winners. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, again, this has been highlighted and repeated by many in the market, but you should know when you should be holding on to the winners, right? So as I said, I am still holding on to the stock. Now after making another big move here, you see this stock again went into a consolidation phase. Now what happens is when you see this kind of a move up, okay, and then the price comes back down, many shiver and they sell out their particular stock and missing a big rally in this particular stock. Now when do you do that? You do that when you don't have a plan in place. You do that when you have no system in place and you have no idea how the market works, and you actually end up making nothing in the markets. All right, so market has a potential to give you a big reward only if you know how to work in the markets. Okay, I'm not saying that loss, you only make rewards. No. All right, there will be losses in the markets, but when the market is telling you do not sell this stock, hold on to the price action, hold on to the stock, this is again I'm doing it based on all the price action analysis. All right, so the price moved up, it came back down, many of you would have sold it, the price has gone into the consolidation mode here, and if you see here what is happening here, okay, the price is showing a good buying interest again, okay, around this level. So my price action analysis, my 14 years of experience shows that the buying interest is expected to resume. Okay, I may be right, I may be wrong, but right now the market tells me not to sell this particular stock, and I expect this particular stock to continue or to resume its upward momentum. Okay, to resume its upward momentum. Today it was up nearly 10%. Okay, will this momentum continue? The days in future will tell me, the price action that will come up in future will tell me. But as I said, this stock is not a sell signal yet for me. Yes, I will be selling the stock, but I do not know when. But this is a stock that is giving me a good return. I expect to hold it on to this particular stock as long as the price action tells me. So when the price action tells me in future to sell this particular stock, I am going to go ahead and sell this particular stock. So I am pretty bullish on this particular stock. So price action tells me hold on to this particular stock. All right, so now how long have I been holding this particular stock? So if I see, okay, around this level, okay, to now here, if you see here 188 days, okay, 188 days I am holding on to this particular stock. So nearly more than 6 months. All right, I'm going to, so this is the patience that you need to inherit, you need to work on and develop if you are looking to enter into the markets, if you want to hold on to your winners. Many a times we make quick, you see a stock rising, say 10%, 15%, and we say, okay, this is good enough, we'll exit, and you see that stock moving much more higher. So that happens when you do not have a plan in place. Okay, so now if you look on the weekly chart, okay, I'll just explain to you on the weekly chart as well. If you see here what has happened, this stock, okay, let me take out all this data from here, all these drawings. Okay, so yes, so if you look on the weekly chart, all right, so if you see on the weekly chart itself, the price made a move up. Okay, price made a move up from this level. Okay, this was the 65% move. The stock went into a consolidation here, so this was my entry here around this particular level. So my stop loss was around this particular swing low here. Okay, this was my stop loss was below the swing low here, and I am riding this particular move up. All right, so as I said, the buying is expected to resume in this particular stock. Okay, and I may be wrong, I may be right also, but I leave it to the price action and the markets to tell me what will be my next course of action on this particular stock. So I basically react to the price action. I do not predict what could happen. No, I just react to the price action. That is my way of entering and exiting the markets, and there are certain setups and strategies that I follow in the markets. All right, so this is a stock that is Watek Wabag or VATech Wabag. All right, and this is also into the business, if I am not wrong, into the water treatment firm. Okay, in the water treatment firm, this is a company that deals with the water treatment. And as I said, the yes investor Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala holds 50 lakh shares or 8.04% stake in this particular firm on behalf of his wife Rekha Rakesh Jhunjhunwala as of the September end quarter this fiscal. Okay, September quarter this fiscal. So this is the analysis. As I said, I always look for stocks where there is a buying interest. Okay, where there is a buying interest in this particular stock. I do not jump in immediately to try to catch a bottom or to try to catch a top. All right, I see that I need to look at that buying interest. Okay, and then I need to look that particular kind of a rest, and I want to see a momentum or the buying interest again to take place, and then I enter into the stock. All right, so this, I hope this information has given you a slight idea of how I look at entering the stocks with respect to the price action, purely the price action. Okay, and you do not know that when you follow these kind of setups or strategies, you actually might be you could have a company of the best investors out there. All right, so I hope you have liked this video, and if you do like this video, please subscribe, and if you have enjoyed watching this video, hit on the like button. Okay, I look for your support and look for your love too, which will help me to make many more videos like this. So all you have to just click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit on the bell notification. And if any of your friends or family are interested to learn about the stock market, this is the channel for you. All right, so yes, thank you for watching, and wait for my next videos.